Catherine Bernardo update. Ayan, ganap ngayon ni Catherine. May shoot siya ngayon kasama ang kanyang team. Para saan kaya yung sinushoot ni Catherine? Ayan, abangan. Mula ng blessing si Catherine. Ito post ni John Bill. Ayan, behind the scene for Gucci. Ayan, grabe yan. Catherine. Ayan, tennis glove. Ayan, ganda ni Catherine. Ayan, outfit niya. Gucci. Pati sapatos, Gucci rin. Pati bag, Gucci rin. Grabe yun. Expensive. Tapos ito, post ng TNT na endorsement ni Catherine. All access 99. Ito post ng photographer. Ayan, na-meet niya si Catherine Bernardo dyan sa Lancome event. Ayan, ito.
For being here.
House.
And to my
Idol
Happy
house.
family, congratulations. That is very successful event.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank for watch.